Vivian. What is coming, babe?
What's going on? It's supposed to work here. I'm back with another video today for you guys, bro. I got an amazing idea to do, bro. Don't watch my lip, bro. My shit is swollen, bro. I don't know how come, bro. Yo, I got an amazing prank for you guys, bro. I'm pranking my mom today, bro. I know you guys have been waiting for this prank shit, but hey, man, I've been waiting too, man. I know I'm just slacking and shit, bro. But hey, you know what I'm saying, bro? So what I'm finna do, right? As you can see by the title, though. I'm finna do a condom rapper prank. Like I have sex in her bed prank on her, bro. Feel me? So I don't know how this shit's gonna go, but bro, man, bro, let's get it, man. You already know this. If you want to see more pranks, more videos, a lot of shit, bro. I'm bringing up bangers, bro. Feel me? Drop the video a like, comment, share, subscribe, bro. You already know what to do. I came at you again lit, boy. You already know, man.
King Gang.
I know that they wanna do all the shit I've been doing, but they cannot do it. I whip through my city, my gang rolling with me, no time to stop. We keep it moving.
So what I'm gonna do, right? So she gave me a lot of condoms, bro. You know what I'm saying? She gave me a lot of condoms, bro. Like a lot, you feel me? So I'm just gonna use one. I got 4 leaves. Now don't know if you're gonna get down, right? But anyways, guys, so I got one right now, right? So I'm gonna fix up her room, bro. Finna fix up her room, kinda a little bit good and shit, saying yo, she's gonna call me, bro. I'm finna be like, man, my room was messy, so I couldn't do it in my room, you know what I'm saying, bro? Hopefully I get a good reaction from her, bro. So let's get that shit started, bro. Gang, man. So right now I'm looking for a spot to hide, put the camera, hide it. So damn, bro. I'm finna put it here. So you guys can see it. Damn, so you guys can see everything. Okay. So you do like that, bro. You do like that. You can see the bed, fan, shit. So got the camera, bro. So I'm gonna put lotion inside of it, bro. I'm gonna put these on the floor. My face as she walking, she see them shit. This shit's finna be lit, bro. Oh damn, that's a lot. Okay, so I'm finna put this on my bed, bro. I'm finna put some, and I'll put this on a pillow, bro. You feel me? So this is what I'm working with, bro. So I got the condom right here and put a little of that on the thing. I got the wrapper right here. I'm put one right on the bedside right there, bro. You feel me? So hopefully this shit goes good. That's it, bro. So let's get it. The only thing left, bro, is just for me to hide the condom, bro. So been waiting for this prank, bro. Let's get it, man. You already know, bro. Coming up with bangers. I gotta wait, bro, because you know what I'm saying, like my mom know me, bro. Like everything I do, bro, she acts if I'm doing pranks and her, bro. Like, so I gotta always like be prepared and catch her off guard, bro. Cause every time she see me with the camera, my phone or shit, bro. So like she always asks me questions and shit. So man, let's get it, bro. She ain't here, bro. So do this shit real quick and prank her, bro. Damn, son. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see though, but okay, I'll put this like that. The thing is with my mom though, like, she was gonna call me, you feel me? So like, I don't know, bro. She was like, Davian, then before coming here and talk and shit, bro. Like, hopefully she doesn't flip out on me, bro. Like, damn, son. Damn. So what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna pause this right here real quick. You feel me? When she come, I'm gonna just start it and then get out the video, cause oh shit, she's coming.
That wasn't her, guys. That wasn't her. So, still recording, still look good. Okay, right.
So now it's kind of messy, you know what I'm saying, bro? So I'm nervous, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know if I should do this prank. Damn, dark, bro. Damn, son. Turn this shit up. Okay. So as I said, bro, I don't know if I should do this prank, bro, because like I already know how my mom get down, bro. So, but hey, I'm doing this for you guys. I know you guys been asking for the prank, like, do a prank, do a prank, do a prank, like, prank. He's here, bro. You already know, bro. So let's get it. I'm gonna start this shit when she close, and I'm saying, so I'm just do this. I'm gonna just pause the shit. Damn, bro, she's taking forever, bro. Like, damn, son. I'm here waiting on her, bro. I have to take up the camera, bro, and talk to you guys. Damn, look at my lip, bro. Shit. Damn, bro. I don't know what the hell happened to that, bro. Like, I'm just waiting on her right now, bro. Like the vlog, bro. I just want to say thank you guys for hitting 200 subs in one day, bro. In less than 24 hours, bro. I think it was 7 hours and shit, bro. Like, damn, son. I appreciate that, bro. Like, thank you guys for the amazing support y'all been giving me. And I'm saying, we're almost at 500 subscribers, bro. Like, let's get it, man. I already know, bro. Let's get it to 500 subscribers. By the time this go up, I don't know if we're gonna hit 500 already, but let's get this to 500 subscribers. Let's get this video to 500 views in a day, bro. Let's see if we can do that. You feel me? Like, let's get it, man. Yo, I'm working hard for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know I haven't been putting out a lot of content, bro, but because I'm busy, you know what I'm saying? I'm learning to drive and shit, bro. So like, I'm busy doing that and this, and you know what I'm saying? So like, I'm getting there for you guys. Just don't worry, bro. Lit content is gonna be out, bro. I'm gonna do challenges soon, bro. Just look out for that, bro. I'm gonna do challenges soon. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff, bro. Like, you guys gonna be amazed, bro. How this channel is gonna grow and shit, bro. Like, just don't stop showing us support, bro. Just don't stop liking the video. Don't stop, you know what I'm saying, showing the love you guys been giving me over the last couple of days, bro. Weeks, you know what I'm saying, bro. Months, bro. Like, damn, bro. Only real OG fans know how hard I've been working, bro. Like, from day one, you know what I'm saying, bro. Like, just feel like we have this talk, you know what I'm saying. But I'm waiting on her, bro. Like, damn, son, she's taking forever, bro. Like, so like how I'm doing this prank, bro. Let me know what else you guys want me to see me do, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I have on this because my hair is flat, bro. I'm just a pic right now. Yeah, so that's my hair right now, bro. So yeah. But as I was saying, bro, like let me know what else video you guys want to see me do in the comment section, bro. Like I'm doing this prank for y'all, yes, for y'all. So yeah, bro. And I'm supposed to look in here, bro, but I'm looking at myself, and I'm looking at myself and this big old lip, bro, damn, and I don't know what the hell happened, bro. But yeah, just show your support, bro. So let's get it, man, bro. I'm just waiting for my mom. So when she's coming, bro, when she arrives, bro, I'm just gonna like start the video. So yeah.
1 hour later. Eventually.
Vivian. What is for me, baby? What is for me, baby? What can the mother for me, baby? Eh? Who you can in my room? You have your bills in here? Eh? You have your bills in here? Listen to me, man. You know you can't have in the house. Until you start paying bills in there, you can't care anybody you want in there. But for now, nobody. You want to pay bills in here. You can't nobody in here. Most of all in my room. You don't hear nothing. And you make it happen again. Or else you're not going to like it. Oh. Damn bright. You're picking me out all about it. We don't know how you want to separate your out like I can't woman in the room from the bed. Why do you think to me I size? Why not put me? You may tell you. Oh.
Oh god. Oh guys. Oh god, but I take up your flip and show myself down. Oh god.
Boy, don't play with me, yeah?
So everybody, that's one prank. So how you feel about that one there?
Yeah. Stop playing with me.
So guys, you know what I mean, bro? Back at it again with another lip prank, bro. So you know what I mean? Like I have to get her this time, bro. You know what I mean? Stop. So guys, yo, if you guys want to see more lip video, bro, please jump those like button, bro. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Keep it together. Lit up in the video.